Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to book appointments on Shopify. Let's get started. To get started, navigate to Shopify's official website at shopify.com. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email address and password. For those without an account, you can create one quickly by entering your email address and starting a free trial. Once logged in, you will land on your Shopify dashboard, the central hub for managing your store. To implement an appointment booking system, locate the left-hand menu on your dashboard and click on the Apps section. This section allows you to browse and add various tools to enhance your store's functionality. Use the search bar to look for booking apps by typing in the term Booking. A range of options will appear, including well-known apps such as Sesame Appointment Booking, Appointo, Easy Appointment Booking, and Tipo Appointment Booking. Many of these applications provide free plans or trial periods, making it easy to explore their features without upfront commitment. For this guide, we will focus on using Tipo Appointment Booking. Once you find it in the search results, click on the app to view its details. From there, select the Add Application button and follow the prompts to install it on your store. After installation, you may want to pin the app to your dashboard for quick access in the future. Next, you will need to choose a plan that suits your needs. Enter your payment details and confirm your selection. Remember that most booking apps offer a free trial period, allowing you to test their functionality before making a final decision. After the app is installed, you can begin customizing it to align with your store's offerings. Start by setting up the services you wish to offer. Assign a product from your Shopify store to each service, configure specific details such as descriptions and pricing, and link the services to your calendar. The app allows you to personalize the booking experience by modifying visual elements like colors and other design settings. You can also add employees who will manage availability and set important parameters such as how far in advance customers can book appointments. To ensure smooth operations, define the schedules for your employees by specifying the days and hours they are available. Once you have entered this information, save your changes. The next step is to integrate the booking app with your Shopify theme. This ensures that the booking functionality is seamlessly embedded into your store, making it accessible to customers. From your Shopify dashboard, you have full control over managing your bookings. You can approve, reschedule, or cancel appointments as necessary. The app also provides flexibility to adjust settings, add new services, or update employee schedules to reflect changes in your business operations. By regularly reviewing and fine-tuning these configurations, you can ensure that your appointment booking system continues to meet the needs of both your store and your customers. That's how you set up appointment booking on Shopify. Thank you for watching.